Alright guys, we are doing some exploration on a new property we staked last year. We amalgamated a couple claims and staked some extra. So we're going to be going in and checking that out. So we're going to be keeping an eye out for logging road samples because, of course, first glance down, you can see that there's some kind of mineralization on this rock here. And is there ever? Holy. Let's clean this off. This looks nice. Looks like chalcopyrite with quartz. Let's clean it off. Alright, look at that. That is a nice looking sample. So we're gonna send this in for an analysis. For sure. This will be our first sample. We'll continue on, see what else we can find. Okay, we got another sample over here. Similar. We're about 20 meters away from that last sample. Look at that. Also a nice sample. I think we'll catalog this one. Definitely chalcopyrite in a gang of quartz. So I'll be keeping an eye out for some nice quartz veins on this property. Alright, so that's our second sample. This one's going to be cataloged. As always, we'll mark in the video which one we send in. And let's keep going. Half kilometer in. Noticing a few rocks like this. That right there is jasper. So I've noticed 3 or 4 of those. Okay, so 3.5 kilometers later, we found a creek, which is reported somewhere along here to have placer gold and opals. So far we're not seeing any signs of either, other than a few mineralized rocks, weakly mineralized. But nonetheless, we're going to do a pan. We pulled some material from over here, and we'll see what comes out of that pan. And then we'll keep going if we don't find anything. Not seeing anything so far. Doesn't even look like there's any black sand. Nothing. Alright, so we're gonna do one more pan. The last couple we did had a speck or two of gold in them, so still not a lot of black sands or no mineralized rocks that look interesting, but the presence of a couple specks of gold is always a good sign, even though it's only a couple specks. Oh yeah, we got a piece in there. There's a bit more black sands, I'll pan it off. Okay, that's as far down as we'll go. Look at that. 3 small specks. Lots of weakly mineralized rocks. Super fine-grained pyrite. A little bit of sulfide staining. Nothing even worth taking. So we got a weakly mineralized outcrop here. Looks like andesite. Nothing too crazy, disseminated pyrite. Don't even see anything that's worth sampling there. So we'll keep going, I think. Small sample with disseminated mineral. The base of that oxidized outcrop. Again, nothing crazy. Don't even think it's worthwhile taking. Another grab sample on the logging road, a mineralized area on the ground that's about 4 or 5 meters wide, where we found a few samples. So there's a bit of free mill gold in here. Looked at under a jeweler's loop. It's really not that much. But on the contact side here, you have chalcopyrite and pyrite disseminated. So obviously this was in contact with something that had it, or there was some sort of void where pyrite formed. So we're going to take this and catalog this and keep going. So, to give you an idea how far we hiked. Down way over here is where we walked from. So far 6 kilometers. And we are almost at the top of the mountain. It'd be nice if we could have quads or something, but fire season, no motorized vehicles. So instead, we're doing a 12-kilometer round trip hike with 3 hours of prospecting. All I see here is a lot of porphyritic andesite with little or no mineralization at all. So we're gonna head back down, see if we see anything else on the way, go on a few more branches, and that'll be it. Okay, so we're back down on the main area here, on the road coming in, and we just decided to sample this outcrop because it's pretty heavily oxidized in a lot of areas, including this. So you have some quartz carbonate here, and you have sulfides. You can see iron pyrite. So we're going to pull a sample from here, catalog this. I don't want to be here too long because it's pretty sketchy. Okay, so looks like we found a new showing, definitely copper. We'll see what else is in the assay. So you have a small pod of pyrite with chalcopyrite in fractures running this way, and you also have some more disseminated chalcopyrite here in quartz carbonate veins. So here's one of the samples we pulled off. So all that in there is chalcopyrite. So what we're going to do is we're going to send in one of these in for an analysis. We'll post the assay results at the end of the video. And we'll keep looking around a bit, see what else we can find. So we got another sample here, grab sample on the road that we found. So you have chalcopyrite and pyrrhotite in quartz carbonate. And it looks like there's actually a little bit of sphalerite in there too. So decent sample. We're going to bag this, catalog this. Okay, so we are on the way back now. That's it for the evening. It's about 7:30 at night, so gotta start making the walk back. Hope you guys enjoyed. Stay tuned for the assay results for those samples next. So see you guys in the next video.